Hello and welcome back to Episode 2. In our previous episode, we showed the damage to the hull Scott and that we were going to have to remove the engine and body in order to fix what had happened. In this episode, we will be highlighting what we fixed and how we fixed it. After removing the engine from the car, it's time to disassemble everything and check that everything is within tolerance, straight, and true. Since we have the valves out, we will also be cutting new seats and dressing the valves for a perfect fit. Here you can see us checking the rods with the Zeiss machine. We are checking the bearings to be both round and parallel to each other. Additionally, every other feature of the rod will be checked within microns of each other. Now it's time to fabricate a new Babbitt rod bearing by removing the original and pouring and machining our fresh core. Once the bearing is finished, its accuracy is within 1/10 of a thousandth for a perfect fit. The owner of the car also wanted me to make a new mag switch that matched the dash of the car. For this, I will be turning a piece of steel on my lathe to make the face. Then I will need to make a new handle that will look appropriate for the switch. Here you can see the switch is ready for plating. Now we are getting ready for the assembly and the finish work of the project. All the cylinders will need to be repainted and then everything will need to be assembled in sequence.
No, I didn't know that it recorded sound too.
As you could imagine, it's impossible to order parts for this engine, so we make everything in-house, as can be seen here with how to make a simple gasket. After assembling the clutch and flywheel, we will soon be installing the engine in the car, at which point we will be burning fuel at an astonishing rate. Tune in next time to our final episode where the hull Scott will finally be coming to life.